But pull over, fashionistas. There's a boutique in the road.
It kind of evolved from the food truck, revolution.
Retail veteran Shelly Sarmiento was waiting in line for a grilled cheese sandwich when she thought to herself, why are meals the only item on wheels?
And I just kept thinking to myself, I could put clothes in a truck and I could sell clothes.
After more than 15 years in the field of fashion and 2 degrees from New York's Fashion Institute of Technology, she decided to take her skills out for a road test last August.
Little White Fashion Truck has created its own truck culture, and when people come on this truck, they know what to expect.
Thanks to some serious curbside customer service, the former co-owner of White House Black Market has turned her mobile business into a staple shopping experience in neighborhoods around the Annapolis area, soon to be rolling into a town near you.
If everything goes as planned, I hope to have 10 trucks in around the United States by the end of this year.
Though this isn't your typical chain store clothing.
I work really hard to make sure that we just choose, we choose really unique things, and then we just go one size run, which is usually, about 6 pieces.
But just because it looks like a designer boutique on wheels doesn't mean it's as pricey. This entire rack right here is 75% off. And I'm not the only one who found something she liked.
Yeah, it was only $15 for this really pretty dress.
It doesn't matter if you don't have a clue on how to put your outfit together, because that's why we're here. We're here to help you.
Cute clothes and style tips? Sounds like a great idea for a TV series.
We've been courted a little bit with the idea of doing a reality show.
Her one requirement for the show? Keep it classy. This is a fashion truck after all. In Severna Park, Jocelyn Rubin, CNS TV.